Yeah. If you fuck with winning, put your lighters to the sky. How could I make sense when I got millions on my mind? Coming with that bullshit.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're oh, I don't need the mouse. Today we're going to do the Minish Cap. Well, we're starting with the Minish Cap game. I think we'll head to Minish Woods because last episode Zelda got turned to stone. It's cold outside. And we got the sword. But personally, this is my favorite Zelda because it still has a giant world, but it does give you much story. But yeah, you can roll. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river. Let's go. Sorry, right. I literally just woke up. Had some coffee. I went outside, it was cold. Long rain. Need bombs. You got one group? It's green. Don't spit it all in one place. Cheeky. You gotta be careful with those points. Ow. Okay. Yeah, I literally just woke up. Nope, 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 nope. Help me. Cap. It's Cap. Ow, can somebody stop him? Ow, ow, help, somebody. Can't anybody hear me? I'd rather go for this. You got a piece of heart. Collect 4 to make a new heart container for even more life energy. Heart pieces are scattered everywhere, it's just really hard to find. Well, really hard to get to. Hey kid, you there? Hey, don't just stand there, do something. What's wrong with you? Do you like watching me take this abuse? Help me. Oh, all of a sudden they're going through you. Well done, that was close. Not that I couldn't handle it myself. You're just best beside me. What in the world is a lone child doing so deep in the woods? I see. The core, you say? Body? Body's cursed someone? What? Sacred blade? Is that so? I see. You know, you and I have quite a lot in common. You see, I too am on a quest to break the curse of bodies. And you say we're forging sacred blade in order to break this curse, eh? Well, then you found yourself companion, my boy. My name is Ezlo. It's a pleasure to make your acquaintance. You look weird. Wait, I say. You walk so too quickly in fact. Can't you go any slower? Surely you noticed I have no legs. Boy, take a good look at me. Do you really think I can walk that fast? If it isn't one thing, it's another. You are a troublesome boy. There, now you can't possibly. Alright, hold on. Options, sound. Maybe that would help. And much easier on me. Hey, quit your squirming. Can't you sit still? See? There. Yes, that's it. Much better. Now, I suppose a boy like you still has much to learn about the world. If ever you need my insight, press select. I'll be happy to help. Such a hopeless child. Forget you. Well, at least I got my hat. Hold on for a moment, my boy. You stumbled across something important. The world of the Minish is very small. You're far too big to meet them now. Who are the Minish? Ah, yes, silly me. Allow me to explain. Few humans call them Picori, but they refer to themselves as the Minish. Strange how, in the world of humans, only this forest has kept that name. Anyhow, deep in the forest they built a tiny village where many now live. But if we're to enter the village, we will have to make you a touch smaller first. Look at that. At first glance, it appears to be a mere stump, yes? No, that stump is a portal, used by people long ago to adjust their size. With my help, you can use it to shrink down to Minish size. You stand on the stump and press R to shrink. To return to normal, stand next to the stump and press R. Well, S. Get me up there and we'll give it a try. He's dancing on my head. That looks... Welcome to the world through the eyes of the Minish. Now aren't you glad you saved me? No need to thank me though. Portals that reduce your size are all around in different shapes and sizes. If you want to return to normal, stand next to a portal and press R or S. But there's one thing you must know. Being Minish size is full of dangers. Mere puddles at your normal size are bottomless swamps to the Minish. And as your companion, if anything bad happens to you, it happens to me too. So proceed with caution, my lad, if not for your sake, then for my own. Oh gosh. And we're now Minish. It looked like one of those weird, those old internet things that whenever you, oh, I don't want to throw. Those internet things, whenever it's loading, in circle. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, first off, how's that not noticeable to eyes? I mean, you can see it whenever you're not even freaking. Acorns must be dangerous. It appears we have found the Minish village. I'm not going to say it. I wasn't even going to try. I gather it's been quite some time since we last saw a human. What's that? You didn't understand what they were saying just now? Ah yes, that was the language of Minish. It's a little different from the dialect I'm most familiar with. I'm afraid I can't catch most of what they said myself. Perhaps there is someone here who understands your language. We should look around. I mean, I can speak it, I just really don't want to. It's kind of weird. Oh yeah, for some reason you can hit those on the way up. Travel. Okay. More this way. You got up a piece of pie. Now you have 2 pieces. Collect more to increase your livelihood. I have 32 rupees. That is a lot of life from. I'm poor. Look at my clothes. I can stitch it. I look like a freaking elf. I've never seen an outfit like that before. Are you a human? Oh my, it's been quite some time since any humans came here. My name is Mistari. I watch the Abbey. Abbey? Abbey? I don't know. As well as the shrine to the north. You seem to be having some trouble with our language, don't you? If you use the Jabbernet, it will allow you to understand our tongue. Now you should be able to find one in the barrel house just south of here. Oh gosh. Thank you. Oh, Kara, this must be the Jabbernet the Starry told you about. Well, you'd better eat it if you plan on making any progress at all. You ate the Jabbernet. Now you can understand the language of the Minish. Now to talk midget. Yo, dog, what's up? Come on, this way. So, you've eaten the Jabbernet. Now you can understand us. Sorry, but I know little about swords. I'm sure the Elder can help you. I don't care. I was trying to go. These will look a lot like me. I can do a somersault. Oh, you speak our language. It's been quite a while since we've heard outsiders speak our tongue. We've had a little offer you in these woods, but please enjoy your stay. Thank you for your offer, but we have no time to relax. My name is Ezra. This child is Kara. We need to break the curse that has been cast on the Princess of Hyrule. So, to do so, we need to reforge the broken Victoria blade. Ah, yes, and you come here now hoping to have the blade reforged. Well, if that's what you're after, you'll need 4 mystic elements. These elements are the crystalline forms of the energies of this world. Only by infusing the blade with these energies can the new blade be forged. Here, give me your map. I can mark where these elements can be found. The earth element can be found in the shrine to the north of the Starry's Abbey. Speak with the Starry. He'll show you the path to the shrine's entrance. Go with caution. Evil creatures have lately made their home in our shrine. Return to me at once after you have found the earth element. If you notice, they're right behind me. Screw ladders. Style. Oh yeah, for some reason you can't swim. You wish to go to the shrine? Very well, this way. Vile beasts have settled in recently. Be careful, it's quite dangerous. You can't use your shield at this side. So this would be the Deep Wood Shrine to the Minish Elder spoke. He said something about there being monsters inside, didn't he? Hey now, no reason to be afraid or anything. I'll be waiting right here. No wait, what am I saying? I'm not letting you leave me all alone out here. Okay. Anyways, this will be the end of this video. I know it's a bit early, but I just want to save the Deepwood Shrine for a later video. For next video, well, next Minish video. Can't break pots. I hope y'all enjoyed. If y'all did, please like and subscribe. I hope the audio is better in this video. If it isn't, I'll really have to do something about that, and I'll see you all later.